Do you dream of smooth, beautiful skin? Do you hate the mirror because you're sick of looking at that awful pigmentation? Are you irritated by those terrible lines and wrinkles? If you're frustrated with spending money on treatments that just don't show any results, then we have a solution for you. At Euphoria Skin Clinic, we specialize in medical-grade facial peels and microdermabrasion treatments. Our expert paramedical estheticians offer 15 different medical-grade facial peels, so there's one to repair your unique skin flaws. What's more, Euphoria Skin Clinic provides unparalleled customer service. Our estheticians go the extra mile. They'll even educate you on how to look after your most valuable asset, your skin. This home care routine is a simple yet powerful way to keep your skin looking fabulous. We also follow up with each patient 7 days after treatment. And we'll provide before and after photos so you can see the improvement in your skin after each treatment. We even offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. That's how much pride we take in our results. We care about your skin like it's our own. It's time to rejuvenate your skin. Reverse the signs of aging. Give your skin the moisture and nourishment it needs to look incredible. If you don't care about your skin, who will? Euphoria Skin Clinic will give you the skin of your dreams. So, book your treatment today. Call 8677-1565 to speak to one of our caring estheticians. Or visit us online at www.euphoriaskinclinic.com.au.